This is a video. If you only see the table spread with lovely things, you will come to the feast today. I'll put some water in that, and then my candles will lit up. There you go. Well, I'm not an interior decorator, but I try. I try to do a little thing. I just like creation. I just like to be creative. Yes. If you only see the table spread with lovely things, you will come to the feast today. Yeah. Yes. This, celebrating my children's achievements and how proud I am of them as a single mom. Fight so hard for them to get a good education. I'm so happy. 2 masters, 1 bachelor's, and now 1 going for PhD. I'm more than happy. Yes. Right in the thing there. Oh, in so dark. But wait. Celebrating the fall. Yes, fall has come.